How can on-reserve homes and structures be more healthy and safe?
That's why I met with Darcy McGee from Premier Fire and Flood to discuss on-reserve restoration, how housing managers and their teams and homeowners can access services and funding to help remediate their homes following floods, wildfire evacuations where their houses might be contaminated by smoke, and restoring pelts, hand drums, and other items of cultural significance, including, yes, hockey equipment, which could save First Nations millions of dollars in their regular housing operating budgets. Communities have an opportunity to use the Emergency Management Assistance Program to improve the health and safety of their home. In this video, we're going to talk to Darcy about on-reserve, home, school, building restoration following emergencies and disasters. This is Hazardscape, Indigenous Emergency Management.
And they've got people in the community willing to work. You can take them on for specific jobs.
Absolutely.